Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use either function HLOOKUP or VLOOKUP combined with function match to look up and return data. So in this tab over here, I have a data set pulled from the IMF, which is the International Monetary Funds, and show selected countries by year. So these are the year, and these are exports in millions of US dollars. The rows are by countries, as you can see, and the columns are by years. This is in a matrix format, similar to the one that when you have a data set and you can do a pivot table and you pull out this is a matrix format. And in a previous video, I've shown how to use VLOOKUP to look up more than one item. Here, using VLOOKUP only will not work because of both column fields, these are the column fields, and then the row fields. So I need to add another function coupled with the VLOOKUP function in order to return data. So here's my work here. Column A is country, the year, and I put in, this is exports already put in. This is import, right? So how do I put up here, for example, for Argentina? So let's just look at the population here, right? So these are the years and these are the countries. Now here, this is my formula. I look up the tab populations, as you can see, column A1 through L52, and then prior to returning something, see A2 is actually the country over here, column A. I need to match column B2, this over here, with the population tab, row A1 through L1, and then I have to use false because of the exact match. So let's look at it again. Population tab A1 L52. So right here, A1 up to L52, and then match B2. In other words, I have to match this year here with that A1 through L1. So match over here. So the match function, as I'm sure you already know, and I've shown a previous version of returning the same data set into the same format, country and year, using index and match. So here I'm using VLOOKUP and match. So in other words, it's going to match here B2, it's going to return the row number, right? So I have to tell the formula, the function VLOOKUP, which row number to return. So let's verify a little bit. Argentina 2012, 2013, 4173, 42203. So my numbers here is 2012, 4173, 2013, 42203, right? So I'm good. Let's look at the last number, year 2022, 99462. Country is all the way down here, Vietnam, 99462. So I'm good. So this is how you can use VLOOKUP and match to return the data. Also, an alternative using index and match. I've also added another function to look up this. As you can see here, this column here shows the function HLOOKUP. Instead of using VLOOKUP, now I'm going to look up first. I'm going to look up the same data set population, right? A1 to L52, but now I have to match. I look up B2 over here, the year, and I have to match the column A from the population tab. So in other words, the HLOOKUP works like this, right? It looks up like this because HLOOKUP means horizontal, VLOOKUP is vertical, right? So I have rows, I look it up and I look it down. VLOOKUP, I look at left and going to right, right? So here, going up or down. So I look up the year first, and then I have to match the country on column A to return the row number for this HLOOKUP function. So as you can see, everything is the same. So that's another alternative for you to use. So another thing you want to add over here is, for example, I have an inflation data set, I have an unemployment data set. So all these data sets are in a matrix format, by the way, and this is the same way that you match that and look it up and return it over here to the data. So this wraps up my presentation, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Thank you.